Subscribe to Phone Darshan channel and click on this bell icon to receive the latest technology information. Hello friends, my name is Nikhil and I welcome you back to the Phone Darshan channel. In today's episode of Phone Darshan, I am going to tell you that how you could record audio on your iPhone using this Lightning to headphone jack adapter. In today's iPhones, we do not get headphones port. So if you want to connect your headphone jack of your lavalier mic or your older headphones, then you will have to buy a new adapter. Now guys, there was a specific reason for making this video. So now guys, in the market, there are various cheaper headphone jack adapters being sold, okay, which claim that they will serve the purpose. So they are useful if you want to only hear the music from the iPhone. If you want to record your voice using the lavalier mic, or if you want to take the phone calls using the headphones, then they will not work because those adapters don't have the capability to carry your voice to the phone. So guys, I always recommend you to buy the genuine Lightning to headphone jack adapter from the Apple Store or from the authorized Apple Store. I have purchased this adapter from the authorized Apple Store. If you buy it from the authorized stores or from online Apple Store, then you will get it for the price of 9 USD in America and for 900 rupees in India. So now guys, let us go ahead and open it. When you open this, you will get this small adapter here. Now let us go ahead and connect this with the iPhone and we will verify if this works with my mic, which is Audio Technica ATR3350. This is an omnidirectional mic with active noise cancellation. So here you go guys, here this is the port. Now let me connect it here. Okay, here it goes, it is connected now. And this is the audio jack. Now let us connect this audio jack to this adapter. It will go like this. Okay, so now this is connected. So guys, my next video recording will be from this iPhone. So now guys, here I have got some more information. In order to show you, firstly I tried connecting my Audio Technica mic. This mic is battery powered and it only works on its own power source. So I tried connecting it through this adapter to the iPhone, and what I found that it was not able to record sound into the iPhone. So then I tried recording using the Boya BM1 mic. So this Boya BM1 mic has an additional option to set this mic either for camera or for smartphone. So when I tried to record using the Boya mic by setting the option to camera mode, here is the camera mode, then that option didn't work. Then I had to set this sliding switch to off or smartphone mode. When I set it to the smartphone mode, then it worked. So now guys, let us test it with the Boya BM1 mic instead, which has a dedicated option for smartphone mode. So now I'm connecting the Boya BM. I have set it to the smartphone mode. Hello, are you able to hear the voice from the mic? I am tapping on the mic. Okay, so this voice now you are hearing from the mic. Now let me remove the mic and see how the audio quality changes. Okay, now I have removed the mic. Okay, so now you will see a slight difference in the audio. Guys, do let me know if you found that by using the mic you are getting a better audio quality. Guys, please comment in the comment section if you find a difference. Okay friends, now I am again connecting the mic to the phone. Just a second. So friends, are you able to hear the sound more clearly now? This sound now should be coming from this mic. I am tapping on this mic here. If this mic is actually connected, you will hear a tap sound. Now friends, I have come to a conclusion. If you want to use a lavalier mic with your iPhone using the adapter, you will have to use a non-powered mic. Earlier, I was using the Audio Technica mic and that mic was powered by a battery. Even this Boya BM1 mic is also connected by the battery. But when I'm setting it to off or a smartphone option, it has two options. One says camera and the second one says off/smartphone. So now when I'm turning it to off, that means that now this microphone is not using the battery at all. Now it is directly sending the voice signal to the iPhone. In that case only the audio recording is taking place. If you are using a battery powered lavalier mic, in that case the audio recording will not work. You will have to use a non-powered lavalier microphone. Then only you will be able to record the voice from the mic to the iPhone. So guys, if you like this video, then please click on the like button which is just below this video, and if you are new to this channel, then please click on the subscribe button. If you subscribe to my channel, in that case if I upload a new video, then you will get a notification about that video. So that's it friends for today. I'm ending this video now. Have a great day ahead.